Guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today my name is Ayomide and I'm a YouTuber based in Nigeria. So in today's video I'm going to be taking you along with me to the market. So I went fabric shopping in Ibadan, and guys, I'm loving my backdrop. I'm loving my new backdrop. It's really nice. So I'm going to be showing you other materials I got and how I'm going to be styling them and using them for my video. First material I'm going to be showing you now is this black material. So I got this black material. I got it for, I think I got it for 750 naira per yard. Yes, and I got 2 yards. That's 1,500 naira for this material. And whenever you want to get your material, just make sure you're getting crepe material, because that's like the best material you can get. It's a little bit stretchy. Like, don't get the one that is too stretchy. I can remember the first material I got, which was a yellow material. I didn't use it because it was too stretchy and it was transparent. So you have to make sure that the material you're getting is not too stretchy and it's not transparent, and it has to be crepe, because crepe material is actually the best material you can. So the next material I got is this gray material, and I got it for 600 naira per yard. And I got 2 yards. That's 1,200 naira. It's not so stretchy. It's not. I don't think it's not even stretchy at all. But it will work. So I got it, and this is what it looks like. It has 2 sides. This is the front, and this is the back of the material. Yeah, this is the back, and this is the front. So another material I got is this material I'm using for this video right now. I also got it for 750 naira. That's 1,500 naira for 2 yards. And I got the flower I'm using at the background, which I'm also going to show you. I got the flower, and I got the flower for 500 naira per inch. They sell it as, I don't know how they sell it sharp, but then it's for one of it is 500 naira, and I got 3 of it to achieve this. Another thing I'm going to be doing all these materials is I'm also going to be decorating them with some light. Apart from this flower I got, I'm also going to be using some light. These are just random Christmas lights I just picked from the house. So I'm also going to be decorating it with them, and I would actually try them right now, but there's no light to power them. So I'm also going to be using lights to decorate this. So I'm actually really excited about all the materials I got, and everything I got was less than 5,000 naira. So you can actually have a very nice background with 5,000 naira. Like, this one was the white material was 1,500. The flower was 1,500. That's 3,000 naira. The other material was 1,500. That's 4,500 naira. Okay. It wasn't less than 5,000 naira, but then it was just around 5,000 naira, because the top material was 1,200. So that's like 5,700 naira. So that's actually a very good budget. Normally I always use cardboard. In my past videos I've tried using cardboard, and the disadvantage of using cardboard is that once you're done with it, like, where do you keep it and it will not get rough? Once you're done with it, you have to look for a place to really keep it, and trust me, you always get rough. So I just keep buying cardboard and doing it over and over again. The stress was too much. And another thing why I said you should buy crepe material, I almost forgot this part, is that you have to get material that you don't have to start ironing every time. Imagine you wanting to film a video, and then the next thing you are looking for how to iron, or you just have to iron it first. So just to save yourself the whole stress of ironing, crepe material, if you squeeze it, no matter how much you squeeze it, it will still come out straight. It will still come out very straight, and that is the point. You don't have to iron. The highest you want to do is wash and fold. So I'm just going to advise you to get crepe material whenever you want to buy your materials or your background materials. So I've come to the end of today's video. If you like this video, kindly like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Kindly help my YouTube channel get to 200 subscribers, please. I'm really begging. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.